Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress, which is super important when you're trying to lose weight. One thing that really helped me stay on track was consistency. I didn't expect overnight results, and I didn't beat myself up if I had a bad day. Instead, I focused on making small, sustainable changes that I could stick with over time. Losing weight takes time, and it's important to be kind to yourself along the way. If you slip up or overindulge, that's okay. Just get back on track the next day. The key is to keep going even if the progress seems slow. So to wrap things up, yes, you can lose weight while eating carbs. It's all about making smart choices, listening to your body, and staying consistent. Remember, carbs are not the enemy.